Good day, guys. We are going to be running a three-way tutorial video based on this textbook, and as you can see, is majorly for Inventor, but we would also be practicing with other softwares like um, SolidWorks, Autodesk Fusion, and Inventor. Those are the three softwares we'll be practicing the video with, and we'll be running this tutorial based on those three softwares. We'll start from the 2D sketch, move on to each and every one of these. We'll touch on everything, then we will now prepare. At the end, we'll be given some exercises to practice on our own before I will then post the solutions online after giving us time to practice those solutions on our own. The questions will be posted, then we'll move on, we'll do the practice and we'll do the solution later on. So we'll be using those three softwares and it will be in a playlist format. So as everyone, it will be organized enough for everyone to be able to access it depending on their software, the software they prefer using the most. So thank you very much for listening.